Did you know the most feared warrior in history died choking on his own blood at his wedding? Attila the Hun was called the Scourge of God for good reason. He forced both Roman emperors to pay him massive tributes just to avoid destruction. His armies devastated the Balkans and nearly conquered all of Gaul before finally being stopped at the Battle of Chalons. For decades, Rome trembled at the mere mention of his name. But in 453 AD, this legendary conqueror met the most anticlimactic end imaginable. During his wedding feast to a young Gothic princess named Ildiko, Attila celebrated with heavy drinking and wild festivities. That night, he suffered a massive nosebleed in bed and literally drowned in his own blood. The next morning, his terrified followers found Ildiko sitting beside his corpse, too scared to move. Attila's sudden death immediately triggered the collapse of his entire empire as his sons brutally fought each other for control. Just like that, the greatest barbarian threat Rome ever faced was gone forever.